Why is it necessary to restore all access panels and simulate normal airflow during charging checks? During charging checks, you must measure system pressures and temperatures while the unit is set up to operate as it would in the field, because removing panels or blocking airflow changes pressure and heat transfer in predictable but misleading ways. Start by keeping condenser and evaporator panels in place and routing manifold and temperature sensor leads through the designed service openings or removable slots so the fan and airflow patterns remain intact. Use a target superheat and subcooling method appropriate for the system type and ambient conditions, and document ambient dry bulb and wet bulb temperatures. Adjust target values for long line sets or fixed metering devices as needed. When measuring, stabilize the system for a full 5 to 10 minutes after any charge change to let oil return and pressures equilibrate, and avoid short bursts of refrigerant that give transient readings. If you must access components, replace panels temporarily and repeat measurements to confirm final values with the unit fully assembled and at steady state. Finally, note that line temperature differentials and pressure readings should be taken at the factory service ports or as close as possible to the manufacturer's specified locations to reduce error from pressure drops. The three most common mistakes are leaving panels off during the measurement, running the unit with restricted or altered airflow, and trusting a single quick reading after a change. Leaving panels off produces artificially low head pressure or abnormal suction behavior, so always restore panels and perform repeat tests with the unit assembled to validate results. Altering airflow by blocking return or supply paths causes temperature profiles that do not reflect normal operation, so route hoses and probes through service slots and never block grill or duct openings during testing. Taking a single quick reading misses settling effects and oil migration, so always allow the system to stabilize for multiple readings over time and document each step for reproducibility. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for heating and cooling repairs and upgrades, and we provide tools to compare profiles and reviews from nearby pros. We also help contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners seeking specific services, and we host a discussion community where pros and homeowners exchange practical tips and troubleshooting advice.